Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have started with select command and learned to place conditions while displaying data using where clause. In this lecture, we will concentrate on the usage of logical operators with where clause, as keyword, distinct keyword, and order by clause. In the previous lecture, we only learned to place one condition in a query. What if we want to place multiple conditions? The answer for this issue is logical operators. As we all know that there are three logical operators, that is and, or, not. With the help of these, we can combine two or more conditions together. Say, there is a query in which you have to display students whose age is greater than 14 and name begins with A. Then we will use AND operator to combine these two conditions and the query will be as highlighted on your screen. In this query, we have displayed all the data of student using asterisk symbol and in where there are two conditions. So we have used AND operator in between both the conditions. That is name like A%. This will display those names which are starting with alphabet A and age greater than 14. Means those students will be displayed whose age is greater than 14. Now, let's move to next topic, that is temporarily renaming columns in query results. This means that the actual name of the column is not changed. Rather, we are just renaming it while displaying query result. As keyword is used for this purpose. Syntax for the same is given on your screen, which I am highlighting right now. To illustrate this syntax, there is an example. In this example, we can see that we are renaming column roll number to RNO while displaying the query result. This will not change the actual name of the column. Rather, it will just rename it. There is one more example of this topic on your screen, which is highlighted. This type of question has been asked frequently in board examinations. This example is a demonstration of calculating results of two or more columns and renaming the resultant column while displaying the query result. In this, we are just multiplying roll number and age and renaming the column in the query result as demo and displaying it. It will not include one more new column in the actual table. It will just display it with the help of query. Now, let's learn about distinct keyword, its purpose and usage. We use distinct keyword for eliminating duplicate entries while displaying query result. It does not actually remove any data from the table, rather display only unique rows. Syntax of distinct is highlighted on your screen. An example is also given to demonstrate distinct keyword. In this example, only unique ages will be displayed. No repetition will be displayed in the MySQL software. Now, let's learn how to sort data in MySQL. For this, order by clause comes into picture. The output of a select query can be sorted in ascending or descending order, one or more on the basis of one or more columns. The default sorting is done in ascending order. This is important to note that the data in table is not sorted. Only the results that appear on the screen are sorted. Syntax for order by clause is given on your screen. Order by clause always comes after where clause. So the order of the query will be, first you will be writing select, then column names, from, then table name, where if there is any condition to be placed, and then order by, column name, and in which order you want to sort the table. There can be two orders, that is ascending or descending. Ascending is default order, and for descending we have to use DESC. Example of both is given on your screen. First example shows that we are displaying the table in the ascending order of name of the student. So we have not mentioned ascending there because by default table is sorted in the ascending order of the column name. And in example 2, as we can see, we are displaying all the students' data in descending order of the name. So we have mentioned DESC at the end of order by clause. Thank you for today. In the next lecture, we will learn to view table structure, deleting records, and modify records from the existing table. Thank you.